When you hear a chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular. Mirror projection that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have,
but I didn't have right. I mean,
what is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is we're not like it's not a tell. That would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the Dr. Phil show, how you give a story and you think good in what sense?
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview. Right, my dog Chili dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Real good.
Cocaine off of a dog. Right.
Right, my dog Chili dog.
Did you? I heard you too. On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili dog.
The dog's name is Strap on. This has to be one of the most incoherent. Please accept my advance apology.
Please don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is not a telethon. This is not a telethon. We don't need to tell each other or anything.
So, on the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine.